Hello.
Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Don't open your eyes. Slowly release your fingers. Keep your fingers on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes, masters. Thank you so much, masters. Let's all activate ourselves with clasping your hands. Clap your hands so that we can activate our all chakras in our body. Let us all activate our parts of your body. Thank you, masters. Masters, is it okay if I'm off the video so that it will be clear with my net signal? Is it okay?
Yeah, Pravina.
Yeah. So, hello, masters. Let me introduce myself. I am Pravina from Chittoor, India. I'm doing meditation since 2007 when I was studying my diploma. And I was very much active when I used to do meditations. Before also I used to be very active, but I got a lot of change in my memory power and concentration levels and activities, whatever I used to do. So that was the main beginning for my life when I used to study. After that, simultaneously I used to give my services in Pyramid Young Masters Associations, that is PYMA, where I had a lot of journey with so many youngsters, where I got a realization that youngsters, nothing, we see as general society where every youngster go to a lot of experiences, where I got a different experiences with every PYMA students, whatever the young masters are doing there. What is a soul? What type of energy? A different type of world I have started to see, that a spiritual science society. It's not only a spiritual, it has a very difference, that is metaphysics. And then I have started my journey with them, with PYMA. And then I have associated with Ananda Brahma, where I got more and more information that meditation doesn't mean that you have to stuck in one position. It also means to make yourself bliss with your happiness in arts. So there again, I have a lot of experiences which made me very clear that life is not only one path. So where you have to go, there you have many more choices. And again, when I was experiencing a lot of experiences with Ananda Brahma, the Enjoyment Science Academy particularly works for artists to teach meditation to all the artists who play their own role, specific roles in dance, singing, any type of craft, any type of arts it may be. So then only I have associated with spiritual tablets, where I used to study myself as a chemical engineering. And in the part time, I used to join spiritual tablet classes, where I used to work as a receptionist. There I got information about dreams and whatever the subject now we are going to discuss. So simultaneously, when I used to learn many more things in these organizations, Pyramid Society, Pyramid Young Masters Associations, Ananda Brahma, and later on, I have a lot of experiences with Patri sir, where I have made myself as like a traveler. I made myself to get a volunteer and moved all the areas of India. So after my studies and a lot of journey, after all that, I had made myself to be very comfort, to learn more and more things. So actually, what is a healing? That was my internal thought. Why a person has to suffer? What is the need of suffering? Is this every person in the world is having a same pain? Is it emotionally or mentally or physically? So that made me more to make a research, which made me to move all over India, and I moved all areas, all the masters. Such type of experiences I have taken in past life regressions, channelings, Seth workshops, astral surgeries. Even I have met a lot many great masters like Eric Bergland, Jasmine, and the greatest master from the Philippines, who is a live spiritual scientist, and many more experimental scientists, spiritual scientists, we can say, who are working with metaphysics. So although I have attached with GK sir, who is the founder of Spiritual Tablet Research Foundation, I never used to maintain myself.
You went on mute.
Yes, I used to so many areas. See, we are having so many problems. So we are having so many solutions also: astral healing, crystal healing, pyramid healing, pranic healing, Reiki healing, Goenka meditation, Ravi Shankar meditation, a lot of meditation centers we are having, a lot many gurus we are having. Still, many are suffering. So in this path, I have loved with a subject called dreams, where I found the same experimental thing on myself, not with any other thing. Because everybody says their own subject, everyone has their own uniqueness. So in my lifetime, my lessons, I have experienced the way of healing through dreams. Because so many are having so many definitions for dreams, but I have found my own definition, which made everyone. From the past 10 years, I'm a spiritual tablets counselor, where I have taken a lot many chronic problems and many social, financial, so many type of patient gods we have taken, I have dealt with, where I always used to go with only soul scanning, that's called dreams, which makes us very clear what the soul is going to say. Not to all, but from 100%, 60% of people will be getting dreams. This is why, because the soul always wants to get connect with you, even though you are not meditating or meditating. Soul always tries everybody to make realize that we are having a purpose on this earth with some learnings. So this is what my one of the part of experience of journey. And if anybody has any questions, let me take. If not, you can ask. I will start a concept on dreams. If anybody is having any doubts, have you experienced any experiences with dreams?
Hi,
Did
Pravina.
any? Hi, ma'am.
Nice to hear from you. Should we take each and every dream to analyze?
Not at
Some. Hmm.
here. There are certain categories where we have to calculate with common sense, and some dreams where we have to keep spiritual sense, which makes a person to balance their physical life and spiritual life in a balanced way. Not all dreams are connectively projected, because before meditation, whatever the dreams, even not a particularly a non-meditator, but if we do meditate and if you go for this deep sleeps, then your subconscious mind will give you clear cut evidences what you have to do. If not, whatever you are storing in your mind from the day to night, whatever you see, you listen, whatever the five senses are working, that only will be stored in your subconscious mind, and it will give you the projection of that. When you don't filter that thoughts, you will always be misguided with your mind games. So all dreams are not be calculated in this. It is must and should that every person should go for meditation day and night. In the morning 1 hour and the night 1 hour. When you go with this process, you have to go with a filtration process, that what you have to think, what should not be done, what you have to see, what you should not. It means optimum diet. Optimum diet doesn't mean that whatever food you take or what you drink. Optimum diet is that what you have to listen, what you have to see, what you have to speak, what you have to touch, what you have to sense. These are some very key points to make yourself very clean, so that the dreams will be very better way.
Yeah. Thank you. Let me tell all masters, dream analysis, I always contact Praveena and her husband Manohar. I am very confident about these two. These are my gurus, I can say. Thank you, Praveena.
Thank you,
Thank
Master, for
you.
information.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir, please. Do you have any?
Kanyan sir, do you have any
Good
doubt?
evening, Master. Pravina, Master, yeah. Hello.
Let her continue. Then.
Yes.
Master, our Patriji sir said, don't research your dreams. But you are saying that
Yes.
you have to.
So that I said, until and unless you get a mastery on yourself, you should not get any analysis on your dreams or any experiences, whatever, because there your logical mind works, your subconscious mind works. Your mind waves should be in a parallel way of your spiritual guidance, not in a particular way of materialistic life. When you go on analyzing all these things when you meditate, you will be very disturbed or you cannot get any type of guidance. But for such type of souls who are already matured from long lives, for them, the dreams will be guiding like an angels. It's an exemption. Every particular concept has their own exemptions. So whenever we take a patient god or any particular person, we have to see what the history of them, what the thought process are this, how clear they are with their own self. Then only we have to analyze. If not, there is no need of analyzing anything. But still, after all 2 months of meditation, if you are going in a proper way of meditation or spiritual path, then definitely your astral travel start working with your future. You will be getting projected with your guided masters, so that you can get a better purpose of life, what you have to do, what tomorrow you have to do. Because so many are there here, why we are having a relations. So many doesn't even connect what is happening today or tomorrow. Just the flow. Today we are working, tomorrow also we'll work, day after tomorrow also we will work. But for what you are working, it is important. What you're learning is important. What you're teaching is important. What type of thought you're releasing, it's important. So these all can become when your soul gets an energy and it creates its own journey. So sometimes not only what I said, 60% of people will be getting a guidance with the dreams. And I'm one of that person where I have getting my clearance to balance my physical and spiritual life. Most of the people are getting confused what exactly the dream is, how exactly we have to interpret. Making a clear analysis is very much important. What you know, what you are seeing is not a perfect. How you are getting it in a knowledge way is important. However, the dream is, what type of lessons you are taking is important. So always Patricia says right, but even though when we go for a next level of knowledges, it is very implemented that soul scanning has to be done. So dreams are one of the type of soul scanning which represents what your soul is going to say. So that only what our body is getting suffering, that we can find out very easily.
Okay, Master. Thank you so much. Yeah, good explanation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Any more, sir?
I think you can continue, Ma.
Yeah. So generally, if you are getting any dreams, it doesn't mean that you are thinking more and more. It itself says that if the thought is reflecting, you have to work something over there in your emotional body or mental body. Because always when I get interact with many or more masters, they used to say, I'm repeatedly seeing that, I'm repeatedly getting that. So the more and more different disturbances they get. This is only because they are receiving it in that way. And second thing is that they are not getting any answers for that. If a person is not getting any answer, then the person will be attracted to the particular thought where he is to learn particular lesson. So that so many masters used to say, we are not getting connected with our own self, we are not getting to get into deep meditations. For the 35% of majority of people can get directly into deep meditations, but most of the people cannot get directly in deep into meditations because they stuck in their thoughts. They only says that I'm getting so many thoughts, I'm getting headache, I'm getting a eyes pain. Even this I have listened, even though I have keeping my concentration in breath. So main mistake everybody used to do is never we have to keep a concentration on your breath, which makes it more and more disturbances in your energies. Concentration is much more different from observation. We need to just keep an observation on your breath. When you properly get into meditation with observation, your thoughts will get cleaned. If your thoughts are cleaned in a clear way, then the pattern of astral travel will be in a perfect way, because energy can be saved when your thought process is slow. Energy will be saved when you use it in a slow process. If you use more energy for your thoughts, you will not get activated with your 7 bodies. It is must and should that your thoughts should be very clear. So that observation of breath is much important. When your thoughts are getting filtered, then only the astral travel, whatever you take, will make a clear-cut evidence, which makes you realize that something is there in your body which you're not seeing with your physical eyes. It is something other which is seeing. This is the only physical, practical experience which every human can understand what I is. I'm not a body, I'm not a mind, I'm not a emotion, I'm just a soul. This is one of the practical experience which every person can recognize or feel themselves when they sleep. So many people can experience whatever the future, the present going on. Somewhere they used to think, I used to see this person, I have met him somewhere else. I have seen the same location in somewhere. This all comes because your body gets its own journey. This all can be happen when your thoughts gets out of your body, unnecessary thoughts. If you're projecting projections, whatever the thoughts are coming in your dreams, you have to find out that I have an answer for everything. I'm just going with my breath. This is only the answer. When you give an answer for your thoughts that this is only the way to come out of your thought, then particularly every person will be connected with their own soul. We have to work with our soul, to our soul, to reach our soul. This is the only purpose where we are going to be. If any person is suffering or if any person is getting irritated, frustration, any type of depressions, pains, emotional disturbances, all because of thoughts, which we create more and more multiplied. So here, when we get connect with your soul, it teaches you for what purpose we came here, what are we doing here, what should be done. So dreams are not only particularly differences. These are the main guidances through your soul. These are not dependent one. You are not dependent on any other master or any other person or anyone who is going to push you. Dreams are those who guide you directly in which path you are going. So, for examples, most of the people used to see commodes or as like they are not getting a bathroom, or dirty commodes, dirty bathrooms, which indicates Arshad Vargas in the body, which are playing a more major role in the life, which is making the disturbances. Arshad Varga itself means the 6 passions: Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Masari. So here the dream indicates you that your particular Arshad Vargas should be implemented in a proper way. You don't need to get angry. If you are getting disturbances in your family, just be calm. No need to fight. Be patient. If you're getting anything addicted, you are getting into moho, it indicates yes, you're getting very disturbed with your particular emotions. So this is a way of indication how dreams projects. The first stage, these are the guided dreams. So we are having certain different types of dreams also, like pitfall dreams, prediction dreams, Y junction dreams, milestone dreams. In some part, we'll be having uh, fearful dreams also. So these types of dreams always indicates you where particular soul is stuck, where we are going on. Are we changing ourselves? Are we getting learned from the life or not? Pitfall dreams always indicates, yes, I am changing myself. I am accepting my life or not. Prediction dreams always says, tomorrow this is going to be done, and today you be get alert. So many in movies or so many stories, even you might see, they used to see future. That it's a prediction dreams. So this happens when I have traveled throughout India, not only Andhra or Tamil Nadu. I have moved Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi, UP, Chhattisgarh, Calcutta, MP, every area I used to move. I have seen a lot of masters, different types of experiences everyone used to have. I was really amazed to see that such type of people still we are having, predicting their future. So this is one of the type of experiences. If they are not getting such type of knowledge, they stuck in that particular area. And next, Vijayjunction dreams, which guide you in which path you are going. Are you going materialistically or spiritually? This is a main important key person here. The guided masters will be giving you in the path using your objects. Many of the objects will be coming as like a guides, just like somewhere you can get a chair, house, trees, plants, any type of animals like tiger, lion, birds. Any type of master can be guided in through these objects or animals or in type. Every particular object has its own science. For example, if you are getting a chair experiences, it means the position which you are in should be very perfect. Not like you're maintaining. You should be very perfect in your positions, whatever you're talking, whatever you are maintaining. So in this way, every object has its own guidance. And then it comes the milestones, where it shows you are getting disturbed, what you have to take. Y junction, exactly here main milestones will be coming. And then so many masters will be getting fearful dreams. This is like subconscious mind where they have struck with their limited knowledge. They don't come with their upcoming updated knowledge. They don't accept. When the person is not accepting updated knowledge, they will be facing this type of experiences, just like they are seeing some ghosts, souls, etc. So there are different types of dreaming, where the perfect dream guidance is lucid dreaming, where guided dreaming, or we can say milestones. Every person will not be getting the same dream, but dreams has its own importance when you go deeper into meditation. Without any meditations, dreams doesn't matter or doesn't have any meaning if you even analyze, because those are only your thoughts reflections. Until and unless if you get a clear filtration, we will not be getting a clear identity of your purpose. So this is one of the shortest info about dreams. And if anybody has any type of query, you can please. Do we have time?
I think we have 5 more minutes.
So I hope I have briefed what is a dream, what dream means. If we want to get into more deeper and deeper, we can have some more sessions in future.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Kanyan, sir.
Yeah, Master, I would like to share my dream experience. Actually,
Yes, sir.
this last week I got one dream. I want to know what the dream was. I don't know. I didn't, because a horse got accident by a car or something, by vehicle. Then after a second or moment, it's changed as a bird. It's try to fly with bleeding blood. So what I should understand from this dream? What the dream want to indicate me?
Okay. So here, sir, do you, if you don't mind, are you facing any social problems?
Social problem means I don't understand
Any
what is.
any disturbances with society or your relationships? Because here the car always represents a family, relations, where you're getting very clear attack with a race. As like we indicate horse for a race. If a person goes in a full force of race and had a big accident with the family, it is not what we say. Here your dream is indicating that something is not connected with your family or whatever you are doing. That once you check yourself, and here again the horse transferred like a bird. So here it itself means you have to take an experiences of wind lessons to be
Wind?
like take it is quality. You should be very take it is.
Then one doubt, madam. Actually, the previous day we were discussing about me and my friend while traveling. We were discussing the birds are coming on road center because some people throwing food. Then it will get accident like that. So I thought maybe it come on like this. Then after dream, after 2 days, a bird got accident. It died when my friend was driving. So what is? I don't know what.
So here you
Why
have
it's
to again
happening.
learn the bird lessons only, sir, where you have to move and take your own lessons for your family. Again, is it a vehicle?
Yeah, we turn
Driving
back.
itself.
car, yeah. But I didn't drive. My friend
car
was.
only. Yes. So there you once check yourself, sir. It may be a
Mm.
guided informations.
Mm. But I don't feel I have any problem because I feel that I'm okay because now last 4-5 months I'm doing continuous meditation. I feel good. I convert my
Yes.
anger as affection to others because I feel good only.
That's what the
But I don't
change
know
is
why.
there, sir. Take it as quality has been developed in you as well.
Mm.
When one comes into this, so it's in very clear that you are you have to identify yourself from where you are journeying and now
Mm.
where you came. What type
Okay.
of emotions has converted into which type of emotions?
Mm. I'm
What
not
type of
holding this
qualities
point.
you have
Yeah, yeah.
now?
Mm. I'm not
Those are the
researching that.
indications. That's what we have to learn, what we
Okay.
have learned.
Mm.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Master. Thank you for a clear explanation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So thank you so much, sir. Today,
Thank you, Praveena. Nice listening to you.
thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Pravina ma'am,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
told one point. You told one point here that the differentiation. How will we get the differentiation between when we are stuck in our thoughts? We can't analyze. You have told that point, right? We can't analyze our dream. So how can we differentiate between that one and the dream exactly?
Whenever the dream comes with a clumsiness or it gives you a random pictures, which doesn't mean anything. It just be like a flow. Whatever you see in your past, whatever you are sensing, these all will be reflecting in your dreams. So there, it will be like a disturbed movies which make your energy loss. Somewhere, some people, masters will be experiencing, even though they slept for an hours and hours, they feel themselves very energyless. So their energy almost all utilized for that energies only, what they are seeing in the dreams. So here, when you get a clear-cut pitfall dreams, means it will make you identify or feel yourself. Internal feel will be developed. Yes, I'm sensing my physical body. Even though you are in a dream, you can feel your physical body with a very good feel in your body, with your experience. Generally, every person can't feel that I am seeing my hand or I'm touching. It will be like just a flow. When exactly a person is getting a pure dreams, it itself indicates that your physical body is experiencing it. If somebody is something is happening, just like if a snake is coming
So
around you, your body will feel it. These are the changes of dreams. If a dream which is not connecting to your physical body, it itself means it is a
you
show
mean
of subconscious mind. When we connect with your spiritual body and physical body, then it comes a physical pitfall dreams. Sorry, pitfall dreams only. Okay.
so if you are feeling it like with a physical vibration, if you are coming out of the dream and feeling it like that, then it is true.
True.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So thank you, ma'am. So Rohit sir, shall we wind up? Do we have any more?
Yes, ma'am. If there are no questions, we can wind up.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Ma'am,
Thank
is
you
there
so
any
much for
continuous?
giving the opportunity.
Someone is asking a question.
Sir, is there any
Yes, Anuja,
continuation
ma'am.
for this class? Continuation for this class? Like any other next part?
Yet we haven't decided anything, ma'am. Just if we have anything, we'll let you know.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.